It may be 2023, but Rebel Salute not missing a beat for 2024. Despite the showers of blessing, the launch was a star-studded event. Sanjay was there.
The Rebels are back!
Love yourself, baby, or nobody will.
It's the launch of Rebel Salute 2024.
Inspired what love is all about.
Godfather, welcome.
Respect, sir. Good to see you. Blessings.
Rebel Salute 2024. We'll get the blessing in the area.
Definitely.
Looking back over my years, I guess I shed it today.
Are you enjoying the launch of Rebel Salute?
You know, I've been to a few. I've been to the ones in Fort Lauderdale, and I am feeling this one.
The first time I met you, I could not forget you. Girl, I know I really have to get you.
What's going to make this 30th year so special?
Me, I've never seen Sean Paul perform live, so that's a big thing for me.
What would you say is one of the key elements to keeping something like this going for 30 years?
You have to be consistent with your ideas and your concept. You have to have the stick-to-itiveness to continue whether you're up or down. There's no business like show business, I know. So you have to make sure it goes on, and then the people has played a wonderful role in keeping Rebel Salute for 30 years.
If tonight is any indication, the 30th anniversary of Rebel Salute just might be the most epic.